12231 Mortimer update video. You see they're doing a new screen door, they're putting a new door and everything. They're getting all the, are you getting all the appliances in is what you're doing?
Pardon me?
You're getting appliances out?
Yes.
So,
Right now.
moving all that. Then they'll start tearing out this driveway next Wednesday, they're saying. So all this is gonna come out, it's gonna widen to there. It's gonna be a nice looking driveway. And then in the back here, in the garage, one car garage, so here's the back. It's a wide open, so we're going to get all that cleared up and done, and that done, and all this. So I all got that, and then there's some outside work. You can see the back is painted. The place looks great. So let's start downstairs. So we have all this done. The bathroom has been put in, so that's your sink, toilet and shower. So all that's going to be here. There'll be a little closet over there, as you can see. This will be finished out. So that's going to be nice. So we got all this stuff here is done. And let's go upstairs. The paint looks fantastic. So the house is all painted, all taken care of. We're gonna put the flooring in last. So you can see all this is done. Really nice. So we got all this. It's from the water's from the refrigerator, but you can see how nice and painted this all is. Here's all the appliances are out. Let's go inside. So all the house interior wise is painted. It looks fantastic. The white really opens up the house for that. We'll be putting new lights, plug switches, you know, blinds. All that will be done during the time we're doing this. And we'll put the LTV flooring in there. Here's the bathroom. We're going to do some stuff in there. So this will be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, which will be nice. On that, I'll show you the upstairs bedroom. There's 2-1 on the first floor. And then we'll go upstairs there. So here's all this. Well, this is done. All white, all nice, and again, all this floor will be in. They're gonna raise this up here, so that looks good. We'll put some doors on the closet areas. And again, this is gonna be a really, really nice house when it's done. And we've got done in 2 or 3 weeks, and it'll be done. Again, better properties, exceptional results. I appreciate it, thank you, and have a great day.